What if everything you knew about choosing a chef's knife was wrong? I spent 3 months and thousands of dollars testing every major brand, from the German workhorses to the legendary Japanese lasers, on every cut of meat imaginable. And what I found wasn't just surprising, it was game-changing. One knife performed so well it felt like cheating. This is not just a list, this is the final verdict. Let's find your perfect blade, starting with number 5. Starting at number 1. MOSFIATA Professional Chef's Knife. The MOSFIATA 8-inch Professional Chef's Knife is a high-quality kitchen tool made from German EN 1.4116 stainless steel with a laser-engraved pattern and a 15% chrome anti-tarnish finish. The ergonomic handle is made of santoprene and polypropylene for comfort and durability, and the full tang construction provides extra strength and stability. Customers love the sharpness and ease of use, and appreciate the included stainless steel finger guard, knife sharpener, and blade guard. Number 2. Topfeel Butcher Knife Set. The Topfeel Butcher Knife Set includes a versatile 7-inch Serbian chef knife, a 7 butcher cleaver, and a 6.5 Viking knife, making it perfect for various kitchen tasks. You can easily slice vegetables, chop meats, and even fillet fish. Crafted with an upgraded anti-rust process, these knives resist corrosion, ensuring they remain clean and durable. Each knife is hand-forged from high-carbon steel, providing you with incredibly sharp blades that stay sharp longer. The ergonomic rosewood handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue even during tough chopping tasks. Number 3. PAUDIN Chef's Knife. Designed for both home and professional use, the PAUDIN 8-inch chef knife is a versatile tool that can handle all your chopping, slicing, mincing, and dicing needs. The ultra-sharp 2mm thick blade is hand-polished for long-lasting sharpness, while the ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This knife also comes with a special waved pattern on the blade, adding to its striking design. PAUDIN offers a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, as well as a lifetime warranty against defects in material and workmanship. Number 4. MITSUMOTO SAKARI Japanese Gyuto Chef Knife. The MITSUMOTO SAKARI 8-inch Japanese Gyuto Chef Knife is a professional kitchen knife made with traditional Japanese hand-forging method, 3 layers of top-grade 9CR18 MOV high-carbon steel, and a solid rosewood handle. It is a great choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike, and comes with a professional gift box packaging. It is a great starter knife, with a sharp blade and durable edge, although the balance between the blade and the handle could be improved. Number 5. HOSHANHO Japanese Chef Knife. HOSHANHO Chef Knife is a high-quality kitchen knife made of ultra-tough stainless steel. Its blade is forged with triple-layer laminated steel, providing durability and resistance to cold, heat, and corrosion. The blade is made of high-end Japanese steel AUS-10, which is 2 times harder than other knives in its class. The unique design of the knife includes a frosted finish and a hand-sharpened 15 degrees blade angle, allowing for thinner cuts and more precise tasks in the kitchen. The double-side groove design reduces cutting resistance and prevents food from sticking. The knife also features an ergonomic pakkawood handle, ensuring optimum comfort, control, and agility. With its versatility, this Santoku knife is suitable for both home and professional use, making it perfect for chopping, slicing, dicing, and cutting various ingredients. The knife comes packaged in a luxurious gift box, making it an ideal gift for any cook or knife enthusiast. Your journey to perfect cut starts with a single click. Every knife we crown today, from our champion to the best value pick, is linked in the description below. I've also included my personal sharpening and care kit. If this brutal, hands-on testing saved you time and money, support the channel, hit that like button, share this with your cooking crew, and subscribe with the bell on. Next week, we're exposing the 3 kitchen tools that are stealing your counter space and your cash. Don't miss it!